Alright guys, we're back at it again. I'm just kind of leave it right here.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Tell me how that was.